Now let's just hope those 1,500 people remain safe and virus-free. Thanks to you for that detailed update. And in an effort to ensure the Korean public that the government is actively trying to contain the MERS outbreak, President Park Geun visited a quarantine facility earlier today.
It was her first such visit since the country's first infection was confirmed back on May 20th. Our Choi You has this report.
On a surprise visit to the National Medical Center on Friday, President Park Geun called on the local governments to closely communicate with the central government's prevention headquarters on all MERS-related concerns. This comes after Seoul City Mayor Park Won-soon criticized the central government's insufficient quarantine the night before, claiming a doctor infected with the virus had contact with 1,500 people.
또 효과적으로 대응하는 데도 도움이 되지 않기 때문에 이 점에 대해서 중앙부처와 지자체 간의 긴밀한 소통 그리고 협업이 있어야 되겠습니다.
Admitting that the government, despite following international protocol, had shortcomings in its initial response to the outbreak, the president reassured the public that everyone who may have been exposed to the disease was being tracked down. She said the government is mobilizing all means to do everything it can to prevent further spread of the virus, and that she hopes the people will continue to have faith in the government. President Park then urged all those under house quarantine to avoid contact with the outside since the virus hasn't spread beyond medical facilities to the general population. In response to criticisms over the government's policy of not revealing the names of affected hospitals and patients, the president said she has ordered for more government transparency. President Park then thanked all the medical staff working around the clock to treat the infected patients, asking them to continue their hard work to contain the outbreak. Choi You, Arirang News.